I sing Meladuri. You love Tibanapar. She cries Tekadiri. Sing Eladuri. Love Banapar. Cries Kadiri. These are the verbs. So be with me always to learn a sweet language that is Bishnupriya Manipuri. Homa Janelu, here I am Tapati Singh from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today, I am going to share again a parts of speech that is verb. That is verb. Verb means in Bishnupriya Manipuri, Kriya Pada. What is verb? A verb is a word that describes what the subject of a sentence is doing. বাক্য বা পারেংহানোর ভিতরে যে শব্দগুলি কোনো কামান করানি বুঝার ও শব্দ বলতাই ক্রিয়াপদক. Now, let me share some verbs such as call, dahani, sing, eladena, sing, eladena, love, banapani, cry, kadani, write, lekhani, draw, ekkorani, buy, lona, sell, besani, open, mukani, clean, ngokhi korani. There are so many verbs, you know that. I have shared here some of them. Now I am going to share some sentences using those verbs. The first sentence is Lalita sings every morning. Lolita sings. Lolitai eladiri. Every morning. Every means nikka. Morning means biane. So it will be Lolitai nikka biane eladiri. Lolita sings every morning. In this sentence, sing, Lalita sings. Sings is verb in English and sings means eladiri. So eladiri is verb or eladiri is kriyapada in Bishnupriya Manipuri. The second sentence is Raju loves to read books. Raju loves. Rajue hobapar. To read books. To read means pakorani or tamkorani. Books means lyric. So it will be Raju loves to read books. Means Rajue lyric pakorani or tamkorani hobapar. In this sentence, read. Read is verb. Read means pakorani or tamkorani. So in Bishnupriya Manipuri, pakorani or tamkorani is verb. The next sentence is the baby is crying. The baby. Baby means Shogo. The baby is crying. Shogoi kadia ase. Cry is verb in this sentence. Cry means kadani. The baby is crying means Shogoi kadia ase. Continuous tense. In this sentence, cry is verb. Cry means kadani. So kadani is verb in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Okay. Kadani ugo kriyapodogo. Bishnupriya Manipuri kriyapodo agolitai kadani. The next sentence is we are going to school. We means ami. We are going. Ami giyasi. To school. Skule. So it will be we are going to school. Ami skule giya asi. In this sentence, going is verb. Go is verb. And go means jana. Okay. Giya asi. Okay. Go means jana. But when we use this word in a sentence, in Bishnupriya Manipuri sentence, it will be giyasi. Okay, we are going to school. Ami skule giyasi. We should not say jiyasi or jeyasi. Okay, it will be giyasi. It is clear? Okay. Ami skule giyasi. We are going to school. In this sentence, go is verb or going is verb in continuous tense. We are going. And giyasi is verb in Bishnupriya Manipuri. The next sentence is your mother is calling you. Your means Tor, mother means Ima. Your mother, Tor Imai, is calling. Calling means Dahani. Dahia se. You means Tore. Your mother is calling you. Tor Imai, Tore Dahia ase. Calling is verb. Calling is verb in English. And calling means Dahia se. Dahia se or Dahani is verb in Bishnupriya Manipuri. The next sentence is, the next verb is actually by. By means Lona. Okay. So I'm sharing you a sentence using this verb by, that is, Kamal has bought an car. Kamal means Kamal. Kamal has bought. Kamale Luase has bought a new car. A means ahan, car means gari. So it will be Kamale gari ahan loase. I repeat, Kamale gari ahan loase. In this sentence, by, from by, it is bought. Okay, so Kamal has bought, perfect tense. So bought is or buy is verb in English, and loase, lona, by means lona, has bought, loase is verb in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Okay. The next sentence is, this watch is sold. This watch, this means ere. Watch means ghori. Ere ghori is sold. Sold means, sell means besani, is sold when we say is sold. Bese belasi. This watch is sold. Ere ghoriehan bese belasi. So in this sentence, sold is verb and sold means besebelani, besebelasi. Besebelasi is verb in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Okay? The next sentence is, I don't write letters to anybody. I means me, don't write nalikhuri. Na lekhuri. I don't write. Me nalekhuri. Letters, chithi, to anybody. Anybody means kareu. Kareu, me chithi nalikhuri. I don't write letters to anybody. Me kareu chithi nalekhuri. In this sentence, write, W-R-I-T-E, write is verb in English. Write means lekhani. So lekhani is verb in Bishnupriya Manipuri. The next sentence is, kids draw animals in school. Kids means shoshumara. Draw, ekkortara, ekkorani. Draw means ekkorani. Kids draw, shoshumarai, ekkortara. Animals, jibjontu. Jibjontu, ekkortara. In school, skule. In school means skule. So it will be, kids draw animals in school. Shoshumarai, skule, jibojontu, ekkortara. In this sentence, draw is verb in English. On the other hand, draw means ekkorani. So, ekkorani is verb in Bishnupriya Manipuri. The next sentence is the doctor opens his chamber every day. The doctor means Dr. Goi opens Mukar his chamber. Tar chamber go. His means tar. Tar chamber go Mukar every day. Nikkadin. Dr. Goi tar chamber go Nikkadin Mukar. The doctor opens his chamber every day. In this sentence, open is verb in English. On the other hand, mukani or mukar, Dr. Goi mukar. Mukar is verb in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Mukarugo kriyapodogo. Next sentence, and this is the last one. You go and clean your room. You go. You go. You means tea. Go means jaga. You go and clean. Clean means ngokhi korga. Clean means ngokhi korga your room. Tor kuthago. So it will be you go and clean your room. Ti jaga baro tor kuthago ngokhi korga. In this sentence, go and clean are verbs. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, jaga and ngokhi korga are verbs. So, I have shared so many verbs. Today, the first one is sing, love, cry, go, call, buy, say. Sing means eladena, love means banapani, go means jana, cry means kadani, buy means lona, sell means besani. Read means pakorani or tamkorani, write means lekhani, draw means ekkorani, open means mukani, clean means ngokhi korani. I think Bishnupriya Manipuri language is not so tough, is not it? It's very easy if you practice daily for some minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes. It will be very easy to learn a very sweet language that is Bishnupriya Manipuri. So I hope that today's lesson, that is verb, is clear to you all. So let me conclude today. Meet you again. Take care. Thank you for watching this video. Namaskar.